Huawei's new phone, the Pura 80 Ultra, is creating a lot of excitement, and some fresh leaks have revealed interesting details about it. If you've been keeping up with Huawei, you know their Pura series is famous for pushing smartphone camera technology forward. Now with the Pura 80 Ultra, it looks like Huawei is ready to do it again, but with a surprising new approach. Many people expected the Pura 80 Ultra to come with a huge camera bump, like some other modern phones. But it turns out Huawei is doing the opposite. According to a trusted source on Weibo, the phone will have an ultra-thin camera design. This move aims to keep the phone slim, stylish, and easy to handle while still offering powerful photography features. This is interesting because Huawei has reportedly been testing new camera sensors for this series. Usually, better cameras mean bigger modules, but Huawei wants to break that trend by fitting strong camera hardware into a slimmer camera setup. Now, let's talk about what's rumored to be inside that thin camera design. Leaked information suggests Huawei will use a new primary camera lens design that's both powerful and good-looking. One of the biggest rumors is about a CMOS multifocal length telephoto camera. This type of lens could greatly improve zooming performance and capture sharper images at different distances. Earlier leaks also hinted that Huawei might use a periscope-style telephoto lens with multiple zoom levels. This would be a big improvement over fixed zoom lenses, giving users more flexibility to take clear and detailed photos whether they're close or far from their subject. Another exciting piece of news is that Huawei might introduce a self-developed 1-inch main camera sensor. If this is true, it would mean better image quality, improved low-light photos, and richer details, all without needing a large camera bump. But Huawei's decision to go with a thinner camera setup isn't just about appearance. It's practical too. A slimmer design makes the phone more comfortable to hold, easier to slip into your pocket, and generally better balanced. Huawei seems to realize that people want advanced cameras, but also care about how their phone looks and feels. Even though these specs sound great, some fans have been a little concerned. Recently leaked pictures of the Pura 80 Ultra showed a camera bump that some thought looked bulky. People compared it to the older Pura 70 Ultra and felt it seemed bigger. But new leaks suggest those images might not show the final design. A recent photo even showed what might be the Pura 80 Ultra in the hands of a senior Huawei official. The phone looked similar to the Pura 70 Ultra in shape, but it had a noticeable triangular camera bump, which seems to be becoming Huawei's signature design. While some people might still worry about the size, it's possible that the bump is more about style than actual bulk. Huawei could be using new materials or clever lens arrangements to keep the module's real thickness low while giving it a unique look. So, the triangle shape might just be a design feature rather than a sign of a heavy, clunky phone. As for the launch date, Huawei has confirmed the Pura 80 series will be revealed next month. While we don't have an exact date yet, leaks are keeping fans excited. And if these details are accurate, the Pura 80 Ultra might set a new example for how phones can combine top camera tech with a sleek, modern design. To sum it all up, Huawei is reportedly giving the Pura 80 Ultra an ultra-thin camera setup, including a self-developed 1-inch sensor and a multifocal periscope telephoto lens. This could mean professional quality photography from a phone that's slimmer and more elegant than its competitors. Stay tuned. We'll keep you posted as more details come out. And don't forget to subscribe if you want the latest updates on Huawei's new releases and tech news.